Can you imagine a stock that jumped from just $2.58 to a jaw-dropping $20.85 in just 1 year? That's an 800% return, turning every $1,000 investment into over $8,000. If you're a penny stock enthusiast, this is the kind of explosive growth you dream about. But what caused such an extraordinary leap? What's the secret behind this stock's massive success? Stick around, because in this video, I'm breaking down the story, the factors driving this surge, and whether there's still room to ride the wave. Trust me, you don't want to miss the reveal at the end. The industry behind this stock is at the forefront of shaping a sustainable future by revolutionizing the global energy landscape. As the world faces increasing environmental challenges and the urgent need to combat climate change, advanced nuclear technology is emerging as a game-changer. This sector offers a clean, reliable, and efficient energy alternative, significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions while meeting the growing demand for power. Unlike traditional energy sources like coal or oil, nuclear energy provides consistent output without the volatility of renewables such as solar or wind. As countries set ambitious net-zero carbon goals, the adoption of innovative nuclear solutions is accelerating, driven by the need for scalable and cost-effective options. Beyond its environmental benefits, this industry is gaining attention for its economic potential, creating opportunities in research, manufacturing, and infrastructure development. For investors, the combination of high growth potential and long-term relevance makes this sector a compelling area to watch closely. This company has seen extraordinary stock growth, climbing from $2.58 to $20.85 within a year, a staggering 700% plus increase that has captured the attention of savvy investors. Such explosive growth is a testament to its innovative approach and the market's confidence in its vision. The company operates in the advanced nuclear energy sector, leveraging cutting-edge technology to deliver clean, safe, and efficient energy solutions that are crucial for a sustainable future. One of its standout features is its ability to develop modular energy systems, which are smaller, more cost-effective, and easier to deploy compared to traditional nuclear reactors. These modular units can be scaled up or down based on energy demands, making them a versatile solution for diverse applications, from powering remote areas to supporting urban grids. With strong backing from government programs and private investors, the company continues to innovate, positioning itself as a leader in a rapidly growing industry. After exploring this incredible story of innovation and growth, I'm sure you're eager to know the name behind this game-changing stock. A company that turned $2.58 into $20.85 in just 1 year and is leading the charge in clean, scalable nuclear energy technology. Ladies and gentlemen, the name you've been waiting for is NuScale Power Corporation. NuScale is revolutionizing the energy industry with its modular nuclear reactors, offering a safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly solution to global energy demands.